This lesson is an introduction to the coordinate plane for 4th through 6th grade. The essential question is, how do we define locations on a two-dimensional plane? The objectives are, students will identify the purpose of the coordinate plane, as well as describe key vocabulary associated with and identify locations on the coordinate plane.
Imagine the top surface of your desk stretching in every direction. If it continued to spread, it would go right through your neighbor, and then through the classroom walls, and through the school, and the hills, and the mountains, and out into space, until it went on forever in every direction. Then you would have a plane. In mathematics, a plane is a flat surface that goes on forever in every direction. In algebra, we often use the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is divided by two number lines. One is horizontal, like the number line you already know. The other is vertical, with up being the positive direction and down being the negative direction. The coordinate plane is filled with points, infinitely many points, and somewhere among all those points is the point we call the origin. The origin is the point where the two number lines meet. The two number lines have special names. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis, and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. To study a point, we need to know where to find it, so we gave it coordinates. Coordinates are like an address. They tell you how you can get to a point if you start at the origin. Coordinates are always written in parentheses with the x value first, followed by a comma, and then the y value. When coordinates written in parentheses, they are called an ordered pair. Consider the point which has coordinates 4, -2. So the 4 in 4, -2 says we need to move to the 4 units to the right. The first number tells you how far to move along the x-axis. Remember to start at the origin. The second number tells you how far to move up or down. The -2 in 4, -2 tells you to move down 2 units. To get to the origin from the origin, we don't move at all. So the origin is designated by the ordered pair 0, 0. The two number lines divide the plane into 4 segments. We call these segments quadrants. Quadrants are labeled with Roman numerals. In quadrant 1, all values are positive. In quadrant 2, x values are negative, while y values are positive. In quadrant 3, x and y values are both negative. In quadrant 4, x values are positive and y values are negative. Just to remember the vocabulary for this lesson, you should explain in your own words what each term means: origin, quadrant, axis, coordinates, and ordered pair. For homework, give the coordinates of each point on the graph. Also, plot each point and describe how to get to the point from the origin.